like this. Okay, if that looks like fun, and you can do a 180 and 360 turn, you got this. Grab your rope and come jump with me. Hey guys, Carly here, and thanks for joining me on how to do this fun jump rope trick called the BC turn. Okay, so traditional BC turn is when the rope goes under the outside of your leg, you jump backwards and then forwards again. I'm gonna teach it from the inside of your leg, okay, just because I think that's a little bit easier and I like to do it that way. So we are gonna learn the BC turn with the rope going on the inside of our leg. All right, so let's get started right away. What you need to make sure that you can do seamlessly is a 180 turn, okay? So that is when you're jumping forwards, swing the rope, it goes behind you backwards once or twice, and then forwards again, okay? So if you have this down, and you can do it just like that, then you are ready to give this a try, okay? So you're gonna pick which side you wanna start with. We usually always have one side that's more dominant than the other. Mine is my right side, okay? So if you do your right side, your right arm is gonna go underneath your right leg and you are gonna turn to the right. If you do your left arm is gonna go under your left leg and you are gonna turn to the left, okay? You do you. So basically, let's break it down of what this looks like, all right? So you are going to jump, and then on your second jump, you're gonna swing the rope under your leg, okay? Just get used to doing this right here. A couple times, make sure when you are doing this that your leg is lifted up enough that you are gonna be able to pass the rope under you, okay? So you wanna make sure that your wrists are pretty parallel to the ground. If they're facing down, you're gonna trip over your rope. If they're facing too much up, you're gonna trip over your rope, okay? So practice doing this a couple times, just like that, all right? So that hop right there, you are gonna be facing backwards, okay? So when you jump forwards, you're gonna swing the rope, lift up your leg, it's gonna go behind you, and then you're gonna come back forwards again. Just like your 180 turn, okay? Except you were just gonna do it under your leg. All right, so let me do this in slow motion a couple times for you. So I'm gonna jump forward. Okay, so again, you're jumping forward. You are swinging the rope, and with the momentum of the rope, it's gonna naturally just go backwards, okay? But you wanna make sure that your leg is already, that your rope is already under your leg, okay? So you're going to jump forwards, you're gonna swing, and you're already gonna start putting your arm underneath, and you're just gonna swing it backwards, and then forwards again, okay? So let me show you again. Forwards, swing the rope under the leg, backwards, and jump forward again. All right, guys, that's really all there is to it. Comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you want to learn. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.